So it is time to do a Total Archery challenge. I have a target set up at 40 yards right now, which is not super far. It's a good starting point. I just made a video about stabilizers, so it made sense to come out and try some long range archery and really see how the stabilizer performs at longer distances. Just a little left. I'm gonna shoot this 40-yard group here, and then think we're gonna move all the way down to 100 yards. If you guys are interested in my bow setup and the gear that I use and the things that I have on my bow, go check the links in the description. So here's a group. It's okay. It's in a pie plate. I know a pie plate is not a very good group, but it's better than being all over the target like 2 feet apart, you know? I don't know what's up with that last arrow. I don't know if like something's messed up with the fletching or something, because the last group, one of the arrows did something weird like that, so I don't know what's going on. These are my first two here, but this arrow, oh, yeah, that's why right there, look. That's why it's flying a little weird. .8. That's that weird arrow again. That weird arrow ain't gonna let me shoot a good group. It's just flying wherever it wants to. It's consistently left, so I could compensate, but it wasn't a very good group anyway. I mean, I was shooting high here, and yeah, that's not too good, but it's okay, I guess, for like 60 yards. In the future, I'd like it to where I'm shooting 60 yards in here, so just gotta keep shooting. It's getting hot. 77. We'll shoot 77 here, and then we'll go to 100. Three for three. We had like 6 or 7 inches of snow here. Then it decides to get all warm and rain, and now it's all melted. That's just not cool, man. Not cool. Now, what a group, man. That is, that is phenomenal, man. That's like a 1-inch group right here. Like, I mean, you can't get any better than that, you know? No, but seriously, 77 yards, I'll take it. I hit the target every time. And that one right there, that was pretty good. If I could have just had them all do that. Ouch. So I'm gonna move you to right in front of the ice there. Yeah, that's pretty solid. I'll put the target on the ice. I think that's about 100. So the target, way down there, 100 yards. 95. Is that close enough? 90 up here. 95. So if it hits the ice, hopefully it'll just stick right in the ice and I'll be able to find it. Or it's gonna hit the ice and deflect and go flying who knows where. I hope that we'll have enough arc that if we miss, it'll just drive right into the ice. I missed it. Sailed right over. Let's try this again. Okay, we hit it. We hit it. Yes. Hopefully we can find this arrow. I'm really hoping, like I said, that the arrow arced enough and just drove into the ice. Otherwise, we're gonna have a little search going on here, trying to find this arrow. But I have this thing, when I lose arrows, I hate losing arrows. Even though I got a dozen of them, and even though I plan on getting new ones because these aren't a stiff enough spine for what I wanna do, I still hate losing arrows. I hate it. And I'll spend forever trying to find an arrow. That first one went soaring over. Maybe I can find a chip in the ice or something. I don't see an arrow, guys. I'm just looking everywhere here to see if maybe it's laying somewhere, because it had to have hit it and just shot. So I'm wondering if it's maybe in the woods. Found a golf ball. I lose these a lot too. Oh, Callaway. It's lost. I'm giving up. I have no idea where that arrow went. Like, there's no marks in the ice, which doesn't make sense to me. So if there's no marks in the ice, it must have went farther past the ice. But the arrow would have been at an arc, it would have stuck in the dirt. But then again, this is archery and the weirdest things happen sometimes. That's an arrow lost. That's a bummer. Well, chances are I'll find it in the summer when I start mowing. So gonna have to keep my eyes peeled because I don't want to pop a tire on an arrow. That would not be fancy.